If someone slowly imprisoned you in your own life, would you even know? This is the most dangerous trap of the modern world. It started in the deep silence of an ancient forest. One afternoon, an old hunter's rifle jammed and snapped. Instead of fixing it, he smiled. He had a better idea. He walked into a clearing and emptied 2 sacks of golden corn. No traps, no noise, no force. Soon, 50 wild hogs came out of the trees. Careful at first, watching every direction, but the hunger won. They rushed in, ate fast, and disappeared back into the forest. The hunter watched, silent as a ghost. The next day, he didn't just bring corn, he smashed open sweet watermelons. The scent was irresistible. Nearby, he stacked a few heavy stones, the start of a wall. The hogs came again. They didn't notice the rocks. They were too focused on the food. On the 3rd day, he brought ripened pumpkins, their orange rinds glowing in the sun. The wall was now 4 feet high. The hogs didn't jump over it. They walked through the gap, addicted to the variety. Each day, the menu changed. Apples, soaked grains, sugarcane. Each day, the wall grew taller, slowly forming a boundary. The hogs never stopped to think about it. They only came for the next meal. Slowly, they stopped exploring the forest. They stopped being alert. They started waiting. By the 15th day, the wall reached 10 feet high, with only one small opening. It didn't feel like a trap anymore. It felt familiar. The hogs were no longer lean and fast. They were heavy, lazy, and waiting for the man to bring the free feast. Then one morning, they walked in like always. The food was there. The smell was perfect. Nothing felt wrong. As the last hog stepped through the narrow gap, the hunter pulled a lever. Slam! A massive iron gate shook the forest floor. The hogs that once broke through thickets now broke their tusks against a wall they had watched him build, and he had trapped them forever. This is the most dangerous trap in psychology, the Overton Window. Control never starts with a cage. It starts with a favor. A small favor becomes a tiny compromise, then another. What once felt unacceptable slowly becomes normal. The bait is always comfort, convenience, or reward. We believe we are gaining something, but in reality, we are surrendering freedom piece by piece. This is how manipulation works in real life. How do you survive? Never ignore the first test of your boundaries. A trap is built piece by piece. The moment you accept the free corn, the walls begin closing around you. Real wisdom is recognizing manipulation early and having the courage to say no before small compromises become permanent chains. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you.